Alright, it takes a little bit too long to get a good pepper, so I'm going to take my Sichuan Peppercorns and just blend them up. Reason why is I'm going to do an Asian delicacy version of chicken savoy using some different ingredients. This has a nice aroma. Alright, let's pause for the cause. You don't need to hear the noise, right? Alright, I blended it up. Some of it's stuck to the edges, so I want to clear it up and then reblend it real fast. While I was doing it though, I was shaking it up an awful lot. Reason why is it just works better when you're dealing with dry stuff. Alright. Got everything that's stuck out of there. Blend it up one more time and we're good to go. Alright, yes, I did shake it up an awful lot. Try not to get it on the table. That's what the consistency is about. Smell from Sichuan pepper is amazing. Alright. So that is going to be in a meal very soon.